This project is called the Fake Voice app. And what it does is you type a sentence into it and it you can control the font and the pitch of it. So it can make your voice sound deeper or make it sound lighter and make it faster and slower at the same time. I chose this project because I really like the functionality of it and the design and layout. Was given a UI to work with, so we each had to design our own version of it. And me personally, I'm a colorful guy, so I like using different colors and everything. So I used red, blue, white, and I also played around with the changing of the fonts. So during this project, I learned how to use the speech recognition function because before this, I didn't know how to use it, and I really didn't know how to bring text and speech into my projects. So I really learned a lot. If I was gonna further develop the project next time, I would maybe look at maybe adding more images of separate people with different pitches of voices. So instead of you just randomly moving it around, you're gonna have different options to choose from instead of just randomly moving the scroll around. Thank you.
So here I've made an application for a model application that a restaurant would use to organize their menu with with pictures and prices of their different menu items organized in different ways with a while with the availability to search for specific items and add them to your menu as well. Can't actually show you it because of the way the app works, but on the application, once you've selected one of your items, the items confirm screen will pop up with the option to let you click off of it after. Throughout making, I've tested each individual button to check that they all work, and all of the item selects do work. But I did run into a couple issues with the actual sizing of the images compared with the other stuff because sometimes the images would be too large or too small and it wouldn't be consistent throughout the photos, throughout the menu items. So I worked on that to try and make all of them about the same size. So that would look nice on the application. If I had to show you one of the earlier versions of like the menu, it wasn't as visual, it was just labels.
Right,
It was just
right,
it was just
right.
completely words. You couldn't see
Yeah,
what you were actually selecting.
yes.
But for this final version, you can actually see it's a lot more visual. You can see it, you can
Yes.
select it. I think I could add like size and options as well. So give the user more customization with their orders. Maybe have a separate screen before they pay where they can remove certain parts of certain items. So if they don't like carrots within their salad, they can have the option to remove that later. So just things to give the consumer more control over what they want to eat. Yeah, I did learn the way of actually using into more layout features, then layout features within each other and how to format it in a way that you can scroll horizontally and vertically while still having good sized individual segments as well. So I learned quite through like my own research and extra time put into this, I learned quite a bit on the way the different layouts work together.